Hi fellas, this is Chemaddicts again to the solution. Welcome back to another video tutorial. Well fellas, now we're gonna solve the second part of this question. Okay, so fellas, if you have missed the previous solution, don't worry, I'll put the link to the previous solution at the end of this video tutorial. Okay, so until then, stay tuned. So now let's read this question. Here the previously the options were given. Okay, the previous question was this: four compounds that contribute to global warming are carbon dioxide, methane, dichloro-difluoromethane, sulfur, hexafluoride. Okay, so in here the second part of this question is which of these compounds is emitted in the large quantity of anthropogenic activity. Okay, so what is at first let us know what is meant by anthropogenic activity. Okay, so anthropogenic activity means shits done by human being like burning fossil fuel, farting, etc, etc. Okay, so this is the actual definition, frank definition, as you can see, frank definition of anthropogenic activity. Okay, so here uh, the question says which of these compounds emitted is in the large quantity. So here we can get another important piece of information from here. So the largest quantity, so the criteria for this compound is the compound should be formed from anthropogenic activity, that is human activity, and it should be in large amount. It should be in large amount. Okay, it should be present in large amount. Okay, then it will qualify for its answer. Okay, large amount, bulk amount. Okay, so here um, before answering this question, let's talk a little bit. Okay, let's talk more. I'll just delete this. Okay, now it's look cool. Okay, okay, now let us discuss a little bit about the question. Here the question says which of these compounds is emitted in the largest quantity. So largest quantity by anthropogenic activity. Okay, so let us write down the keyword of this question: compounds released not realized. I was about to write realized. Okay, let's get back to the question. Okay, compounds released in large quantity, okay, large quantity by anthropogenic. Let's just don't write the actual word human activity. Let's write human activity instead of anthropological, I don't know, activity. It's really hard to spell this word. Okay, so let's just write human activity. Sorry for my handwriting. Okay, so here we can see that from human activity, just like burning fossil fuel, farting, etc, etc. So there are two possible products: one is carbon dioxide, another one is methane. So basically when we burn or fart, we basically release carbon dioxide or methane, okay, as products, as main products. So here we release carbon dioxide and methane mainly. So we have got two possible products. Okay, two possible products from human activities, just like burning, farting, etc. Okay, so etc. Fine. So in here uh, we have found two possible answer. The answer might be carbon dioxide, as the option is given, carbon dioxide, methane, as the both options are given. So we have matched the first criteria of this, that is these two products match the first criteria, that is it can be produced by human activity in in human activity. That means this carbon dioxide and methane can be produced by human activity. Okay, so these two products have qualified for the first criteria. Fine. Now we are now confused that which should be the actual answer. Okay, so the hint to the actual answer is lurking behind this question, that is in large quantity. So now let's see which is produced in vast amount. Okay, is it carbon dioxide or is it methane? Let's have a look. Okay, fine. So if we compare two things, carbon dioxide would get the trophy, since carbon dioxide is released from everything else, like burning fossil fuels, which we do a lot. Okay, so the main source of carbon dioxide is burning fossil fuel. Okay, so if we look around, we're gonna find a lot of example that we burn fossil fuel a lot. Okay, just talking frankly, that we burn a fossil fuel a lot. As a result, this carbon dioxide is produced, formed as a product. Okay, product product. Okay, so if we compare this carbon dioxide with methane, okay, so burning fossil fuel mainly produce carbon dioxide. Okay, so this carbon dioxide would get the trophy, so it has won. So it has won the trophy. Okay, so if let us repeat this one once again. If we compare these two things, carbon dioxide would get the trophy, since carbon dioxide is released from everything else. Okay, like burning fossil fuels, which we do a lot. Okay, so now let's talk a little bit about this methane. Okay, so burning fossil fuel doesn't produce methane. Okay, so the main source of methane is, as you can guess, that is when we fart. Okay, so when we fart we produces carbon sorry when we fart when we fart we produce methane. It is nothing compared to carbon dioxide. Okay, so let me write this down. When we fart when we fart we produce methane, not carbon dioxide. We also produce carbon dioxide, but it's really small. Okay, so the main source of methane is from our fart. Okay, so it is nothing compared to carbon dioxide. So as you can see, it's if we compare this with ant and an elephant, so here carbon dioxide would be an elephant and methane would be ant. Okay, so that means carbon dioxide plays a vital role for global warming. Okay, so here, since carbon dioxide is produced in large amount, in vast amount, in vast, let me write in bigger, vast, vast, vast amount. So this carbon dioxide has a large impact on global warming. Okay, so this guy over here won the trophy. So that is why the carbon dioxide would be the answer, not methane. So fellas, I hope that I'm able to clear your confusion. So fellas, I can guess that you were in the you were in the state of confusion between these two options, whether it should be carbon dioxide or whether it should be methane, since these two both are main greenhouse gas. Okay, so I have broke this down for you. Okay, I break it down for you, the reasons. Okay, don't maintain don't don't meet it in otherwise. Okay, don't take it otherwise. Okay fellas, that's the solution to this question. So now you can guess the answer, which should be the answer. So now let's write the answer. So the question was, which of these compounds is emitted in large amount and by anthropogenic activity? So here the criteria, let us first write the criteria. One is human activity, okay, and the other criteria is in large amount, large quantity or large amount, whatever you say. Okay, so this carbon dioxide answer suits this both of these criteria. So this carbon dioxide fits in this criteria. Okay, in this two criteria, this carbon dioxide fits in these two criteria. So that is why carbon dioxide should be the answer. So the answer is, let us have a look which should be the answer. Yeah, carbon dioxide. The option of carbon dioxide is A. Since the option of carbon dioxide is A, so the answer should be A. Okay, A. Okay fellas, so fellas, that's the solution to this problem. So fellas, if you have any confusion regarding this solution, please let me know in the comment below. um, if you have any question, if you have any uh, confusion regarding this topic, please let me know in the comment below. So if you have missed the previous uh, solution of this question paper, don't worry, I'll put the link over here, somewhere over here. Please click here to watch the previous solution. Okay, so was this solution helpful to you? Please let me know in the comment below and give me a feedback, fellas. At least give me a feedback whether this solution is helpful for you or not. Okay, if you find this solution helpful, please give it a like. If you or if you find this solution not helpful, at least give a dislike. Okay, so please show your feedback by watching this solution. Is this solution was helpful for you or not? Okay, so fellas, that's it for today. We're gonna solve the next question in the next video. So until then, stay cool, stay awesome, best of luck for your exam, and as always, peace with chemistry.